have 3 of the contestants in the duck race. Now, must be signed up to the email list down below. Otherwise, you win, you will forfeit. And your email must be confirmed, so you won't check your spam.
Oh, YouTube. What's happening, YouTube?
Taking yourself off. Hey, run pull. Hey, Paul, run pull on what? Yeah, I know. I feel like Eddie's in the duck race almost every day. Sure. Alright, let's go ahead and see if we can get the rest of the contestants picked. At night, Bob. Alright, so I'm going to drop the code. Be careful. Watch it. Alright? Code is about to drop in 3, 2, 1. Alright. First person I see in there, I'm just hitting choose winner. Let's see. Look at you guys. That's a Thomas. Tell you what, Thomas gets that first drop quite often. He's on it. Might sell you his secrets if you give him enough money.
Oh, baby. What am I connected to? Another phone. Turn that one off for now. That's fine.
Number 8 is gonna be one entry. He's trying to rip up. Bam. Already in there too.
See where we're at on the daily. Pivot. Oh, bare last stand. 908. Looking to short 908.
Set it for 1 minute. That's one. Then we'll bring the that news is out. Just send it. Not signed up the list yet. Make sure you have your email confirmed. Give that at least a minute.
Here we go. Less than 1 minute. The day to drop. Bingo, bingo, bango. Bump it up. Could be this short at 908. Not going to give it to me at 908, is it? Come on.
Did that keep it? You're expecting to hit one?
All right. Well, we're not getting it. We're gonna get in a little early. It's fine. Gotta front run it.
Okay, finance. Numbers.
Yeah, short 68, 868.
Still don't have. Okay, at 190. Better than expected.
Gold fell off a cliff
Should come in at
again.
198. Better than expected. That's crazy.
Gold is dumping.
Going down. Six. Alright, so let's do the sprint. 1 minute sprint. Okay. Let's see. Let's.
Oh, it might fade it up. It did. All right.
He's like, this is where else?
Really want 907. Big account. Give me 907. We'll be in business.
Trade Duck has an unfair advantage.
Ah, gold is giving it up.
Goodness, Thomas is like, see you guys later. See you later, Gator.
Gold is eating it.
Love your. You know, so many basic lately. Perfect. Yeah, I'm gonna start yours. So I'll send it over to My Fun and Future today. That way when we do the second giveaway, you still. Let's go, let's go.
And they are ripping it.
We have a little bit of liquidity up here as well. We're at 9. At 9 here we have 7 contracts. Yes. Got a 40. 121 points. I think we're trying to get up here to. Yeah, he has one thing out yesterday. It's not far from it. We have the Gex 1 here at 7,000. A nice round. Down here below us. Other MVPs down. Like it's a good. Six. it a little bit. I'm gonna move my sock forward. Stop. So they don't start me off with the wrong foot already. That's definitely good time. Should have been positive. I think my place or whatever it was. How we think? First, we're just trying to run jump up high. That year,
Hey. Gold is free falling.
a video for you. A couple settings I'll probably forget. But I do it every day.
Who else we got live today? Ryan Mack.
Down.
Riding the 90 MA up here.
You haven't touched this app. Gonna try to get all that. Back up, kiss. Back up. With DMAs. DMA. Back up and hit. Right now I'm down 40.
Down $40, bro. Are you long in that? Madness.
Yeah, today definitely has the market.
Madness, I say.
Yeah. You have that liquidity there, 25,000. Take it. Hey, I think it was gonna roll, it just didn't do it. You have that liquidity. Yeah, you have a gamma explosive. Sure, yes, right now it's 59. they ever have a like $34 a month for them. Hey, $34.
What's happening, folks? I'm gonna stream on YouTube for a good bit today. I'll just leave it up. Maybe chatting with the guys in the Discord and looking to make a little bit of monies.
Lower the chance. Guess that would have been very
Gold. Freaking rip into the downside. He's back up. Market is being held up by TSM. Here goes the 900s.
Yesterday was tough. Kept trying to go. How we do? Check that
Alright, well, there's that. Bearish reversal zone. Their last stand.
You can see this, buddy. Low pressure. 346.
Oh, it's just gone.
That's the average. Guess only had a range of. What we have right here at night? They want to get Bill here, so it starts going up there. Then. That's where all that. We're approaching the. That really makes sense. Listen, her either day should be higher than that. Already there. Better way to go. My shorts on the market is going to show up. Right now. Delta, we had to. Trades a split. What? Trades are in. Down 4. Has me down. Down 1. Let's just get a flush. Defense. You had a big order at night. I already pulled that. Where he puts it. So all the way up here at 9. How do you know they don't really.
Back to the 9 EMA. Currently riding the 9 EMA.
That looks. Pretty good. Very EMA. Maybe it'll make up. They lose the last. Or that loss. They just. Yeah, it's not like it. I feel like I'm just. The. Nice. Trades up. But then. Pay the trade.
See what else we got going on here. Oh, we gonna get a flush, my friend. We are definitely gonna get that flush. Oh, Hanson, get in the short, buddy. You got to get out of that. 908, bare last stand on the daily. It's going to be a pretty strong fucking rejection, sir. I'm not saying it doesn't come back here, but we got some things to do first. We got places to be. And it definitely ain't in the 900s. Fair value gaps. They're everywhere. I guess. I don't know. I ain't looking at that shit. Well, you had a bunch of crazy like Bank of Japan stuff going on first, and then said TSM, man. I should have stayed up because I was like, if they're a beat, we're just gonna go up like aggressively. Yeah. ASML is up a lot too, which is interesting because they did not have earnings. But they are the, TSM and ASML are the two companies that make the machines that make the chips. They don't make the chips, they make the equipment that makes the chips. So when they have good forward-looking guidance and good earnings, that means that all the other chip makers are most likely spending money with them to buy equipment to ramp up production. So it's really bullish for the market, but we don't have any data to support what the other chip makers are doing just yet. But I told you, man, it was going to be a wild one. Say TSM, man, whenever those guys report, when ASML's the next one, and it'll be at the same kind of like middle of the night nonsense. When they report, it's going to be the same move. The problem is that when they have these, the market tends to fade the move. Like the rest of tech and stuff is not really up on this information. So do with it what you will, but I think it fades a good bit of this. I'm short from 894 to 2 micros. I just want to see it go back to 880, then 860. Really just looking to get my qualified day out of this move on the account I got paid on. And then the one that's next to get paid out, I'm going to take my time with that sucker. But I mean, if you break and close over like 920, I would say you've got a good chance to run to the bull targets. But and they up there, man. They way up there. They're in like the 1.5-2% range on the day up there. And that seems less likely to happen without further catalyst, especially after yesterday's drop. Just seems like less likely scenario. But we'll see. Gold was getting wrecked. Right back up. 908. Bears one more time. I actually might want to even put on a short up here on the other account. This one micro. D money's up. I'm gonna wait it out though. That FOMO, man. That FOMO wanting to get in. Got all day to get in, baby.
Cool.
Again. That's a nice move right there. Man, you should know better than anyone that this pre-market move don't matter. I mean, you are pretty strong right now. 800. Bell opens 800. We'll see, buddy. Probably should have held mine a video call overnight, but that's whatever. No one goes broke taking profits, my friend. The question is not how high can we go. The question is how low do we go before we bounce?
There's TMCI there.
What?
There's TMCI.
No, it's TSM. These guys, I'm arguing with these guys in the book maps chat that all want to long the shit out of this. They're like, long, it's super bullish. See, the thing is though, when it breaks out of these areas in the overnight Asia session, man, the people that trade this New York session, they want to buy it back down there. They don't want to buy it up here. They're gonna want to take that longy dongy down there at like 750. They ain't gonna want to be all the way up here. I'll give you some numbers to think about here. Top of the bearish reversal zone is 840. Bottom of it is 770. Bullish reversal zone is 500. So put that in your nugget for the day. The midpoint is 620. Your bull side target is 26071. Oh, we gotta go on probabilities, man. They don't want to go down today? Bro, they are going. Look, all night they took it way up high. They took you on a trip, okay, to the top of this mountain. They're like, look at the view. And you just woke up and you're like, wow, this is amazing. And then they push you off the cliff. Okay? And they're like, yeah. That's what happens, okay? They just push you. You don't have a parachute. You're not prepared for this. It's not going to happen. Big money just made all that money overnight. They're going to sell that sucker off, man. We see it happen so many times. No, today is not different. Nothing about today is different. This is a day where you take calls at open and you go to zero. Just like yesterday, gonna happen again. Because you're so bullish. Never mind the fact that the market is like already up 1%. It doesn't, you probably don't pay attention to this, but the market does not break 1% to the up or downside that often anymore. Because we're at such a high level, it takes such a large move to go over that. It doesn't happen very often. It does range like from 1% to down 1%, like in that area throughout the day, but it rarely does it go over that 1.2% area. Very rare. So just know you probably are looking somewhere near the high without a catalyst. This is it. Okay. I mean, think about this. If yesterday the market opened, dipped, and then ran up and closed really bullish, right? That would be a case to continue the bullish trend. That didn't happen. Market dumped, recovered half of it. Recovered half. It basically made a bear flag. And then one company had earnings that were great. I mean, Morgan Stanley reported and some other bank reported, but BlackRock or something. That don't matter. TSM reports, and all of a sudden you eat up 300 points on one. Get out of here. Get out of here with that. YM starting to slowly turn green. Slowly turns green. I'm thinking we're going to see that 200 EMA with quickness at open. That's 850s. Like with the quickness. I'm going to be a little bit bummed out that I didn't take this on the account that's going to pay me, but it's okay. I do want to, let me make you feel better. I do want to go long eventually. Just, it won't be here. Ain't no way. I'll go long eventually. It's just not going to be way up here. Sorry, champ. Hmm.
Said the indicators are for nerds and the 14 to 50 and they are for losers. Yeah, you would say that. Look at that guy. Alright, so I'm dropping the EMAs in the chat, guys. I know somebody's gonna bring that up. What EMAs am I looking at?
Let's see what old Ryan Mack's doing here.
TJP, what up? D-Money, hey, what's up? How are you?
That thing went right down to my entry. Whipped right off of it.
So DW told me I can't try to get dates anymore based off of his cars in the background, guys.
Boing.
I was trying to get, I guess it was too many,
$10.
I sold 335 foot.
Let's go.
Also.
Oh, nice.
February put, so
Look at Reddit down 1% pre-market. Nice. Those who hold the puts. Yeah, okay. Bro.
Yeah, right now you gotta wait for you gotta wait to see how this thing opens up, Chad. I mean, right? We had a huge
Do what?
Tesla hasn't really been participating when the market goes up.
All right. You saw they are no longer going to sell FSD anymore. See that news?
What's FST?
Full self-driving.
Oh, that's really interesting. I think you said something about that.
Well, they just started released that news like a day ago or something. It's going to be a subscription model only. Makes more sense.
So they are selling it. They're just not outright selling it.
Yeah. Whereas before the only way to get it was to buy it. Like you had to add on 10 grand or something. So now the way that they're going to give it to people is just through the monthly service.
How much is it?
I don't know. It's probably $100 a month or something.
It's kind of nice, really. Like if you're the average guy and you don't really want to do self-driving, but then you want to you got a trip coming up or something, and you want to do it.
Yeah. I would imagine that the amount of people who paid the high upfront cost was pretty low in comparison to the number of cars sold.
That can actually do it. I think you're absolutely right, and that's probably why they switched to the models to get more pull through. Otherwise, it's a waste of money to put all that equipment in the car.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at Soxel, dude. That is freaking.
Yeah, Soxel's crazy.
Yesterday it was at 53. Today, free market hit 61.
Yeah, it's nuts.
I had some shares, not a lot, but I wrote the 56 calls yesterday.
Got 7,000 plus, and a little bit over 7,000 on the ES. New ATH wasn't done yet.
I did write some
Trade
featuring
PC,
quotes
right?
on socks, so those would be nice as well too.
Got 23 minutes before, on the past the hour. We got about 7 minutes left to go. We are open for business. We got several gaps up and down the boulevard.
Right at 9:30, guys.
Got this gap up here, these gaps down here. I wonder how well the bulls push this up though. That's my question. So let's take a peek. I haven't really looked much at the market. This is yesterday's 15-minute RORB. We had that's the top of the range there. We're gonna keep that there unless that's a pivot. That is a previous pivot.
Well, I don't love the pre-market move, but it's what it is. I'm gonna wait it out, man. I'm not giving up on this short here. We're just gonna wait it out.
Well,
when Johansson gets this excited, I know I'm right.
this green line 570.
Okay,
I drew.
that's what I do know. When he's that excited, bro.
So what was this? What kind of news was this?
Oh, nah, see, that's like those are the calls right there.
I traded that green yesterday too. I drew that line yesterday.
Make all my money.
I got another report here, so I'm gonna draw one.
When the market's not even open and he's that excited, I'm definitely on the right side of this.
TSMC.
I hope you make all your money back, Giants.
I hope he makes all his money back too.
Hit 25, 424. That's a 500 point move overnight.
Hey, guys. I love
Good.
I appreciate the support, man.
I almost want to add to it up here, but
short.
I'm gonna wait it out.
Next levels. 26004.
See, this is where these guys. This is where it goes wrong for you. Right here.
Let's go. Yeah, guys, shout out to my barber, Miguel. I got to shout him out. I told him yesterday.
Exactly why I'm short. Well, Lauren Mills, don't be too early to that party. I mean, I know you use micro, so you can probably get in one, hold it for negative $300-400, and then when it finally turns around and goes your way, you just add into it, which is fine. That's trade, right? That's the SCOTUS stairs gone for now.
What a move,
Look at the
baby.
ES. Look at the ES. We have to change the chart. We got a couple gaps down here. 200 EMA. So we've got 69, 94, 50. 69, 94, 50. We'll see. Let's see what we got here. We got also a couple gaps down there back to the DWAP at 69, 80. For the sweep,
shares that are not covered.
we're filling up these gaps right now on the Macticator. Look, it's just kind of one of those situations where 25,951, we kind of pop off, stop there. So wait for a sweep. But I would suggest, if you're in a long, then hey, good for you. Hope you've been holding, because there's been no pullback unless you got in here. So you got in here. But if you waited to at this point here, if you got in there, you're golden. We do have to break these supports here on the NQ. The ES, let's see what we got here. ES, we got support there at the bottom of that gap, one tick gap. And a support there at 7,000. Of course, 7,000 support on the ES.
1,200 likes at 928, guys.
Got that there.
I appreciate the support.
Another support down here if we break the ULAP and back test.
So we're getting ready.
It's good to know where these are. And if price starts to come back and put that all together for you. Sometimes in the heat of the moment, you forget to look left, right? Totally forget. You're like, oh, what's this white line? It's a support. Economic news. We got about 2 minutes before we get rolling here. What do we got for economic news?
Gotta let it open up. We got about a minute left.
Calendar of economics. It's Thursday. We got another speech. What do we have else? We had a red folder event. No red folder event. It's for Thursday. We have
Alright, so 1,560 people voted, guys. Into that poll.
I got some news that's coming.
Come on down, baby. It is riding that 9 EMA pretty hard. I did add at the top of that, by the way. 940s.
Here, just came underneath it, checked it hard. 2 ticks, boom.
Boom.
Yeah.
Boom. Out of one.
This price,
Go time.
Yes.
Guess who's back? Back again. My shorts are back. Tell your friend. Ow! Oh! Lord, I was a little too early on my celebration. I'm fine. It's fine. We're down a whopping $0 at the moment. Come on. Come on. Go give me my 885. Come on. Come on. 885. Come on. Nope. Okay. I might close one of them. We'll close one, ride one. Maybe. Yeah, it's moving real quick. But it is holding this 900s a little too aggressively for my taste here. Come on. Man, you went right down to freaking 94. I should have just put my TP at 94, but... Oh, come on. Just do it. We got all day to go down further. Come on.
Give the people what they want.
Getting hung up on this pivot down here.
Yeah, just getting hung up on this 200 moving average.
And also on the ES, we're influencing. The ES is pushing a little lower. MACD's red. Let's see how it goes.
$1,400 on those. What's that row yesterday?
Damn, nice, dude.
That's not even all of them. That's only 2 of them.
Got about 2 minutes left for the 5-minute mark. Started to establish. We're gonna start kind of drawing out the black lines, guys.
Yeah. It gave me the nice wick that I wanted, but man, we're just not getting the follow through that I need. Not yet, anyway. I got time, it just... Let's see here. Come on. Eat it up. There we go. Come on. There we go. There we go. Come on. Come on. All right, I'm closing one of them. I'll sit in the other one for now, but I'm just going to close it. I'm just down a little bit here. Still going back to that 200 here. Yeah, see, look, it shook me out a little bit.
Get back below.
See, I kind of want to add back to this, but it's all right. I'm gonna wait. Not gonna FOMO into it and see what happens here. I take profits low enough. I got such a crap market fill on that thing. God dog. Really, I just need the qualified day, so I'm going to set my take profit on the qualified day for this account, because I almost forget that the plan here.
Out.
As long as we kind of, I want to try a short because we're kind of hanging out below.
It's right there.
Stay close.
It's right there. Come on. Come on. Just give me my freaking target. It's not going to get it to me, is it?
Lauren Mills, you're short already on the MQ. ES is still holding up on this pivot.
That was the 200. Damn it. They pulled that 200 up a little bit higher than I needed it. Oh well. Alright, I'm out.
I think I want to put
I should have stuck a little more aggressive to the plan and just held all three of them, but whatever.
Lauren Mills, you sent me that link about 100 ounces, 100 ounce contract, but it sounds like they're just trying to stop traders from trading it. They can't do. To go back to like the 60s where you couldn't even own gold, but the situations like silver.
Yeah, $2,000 on the day.
Beautiful, dude.
Do we put limitations on other countries to buying silver? No. Why is it we have to put limitations on our own people to buy and sell stuff? In regards to like precious metals or something. Oh, because of what? It controls the economy.
Oh, Nvidia up big. That sucks. Oh, Reddit down. Oh, baby. Oh, well. I was right on both of those trades. Did you see that Vulture's trades? Have you followed any of his posts lately? He was trading that that Riley stock again, and he was up like 500% on like full port calls on that thing. He posted something. He turned $20 into 25 grand since the first of the year. Some shit. It's like, what the hell, dude?
All three added way up there at the top. EMA moved up 10 points. I bet you we dumped off the 10 points behind what we moved up.
And then if that's the case, we're probably going to head
Stay closer down here, guys. Ladies and gentlemen.
I think with, yeah.
We gotta come back and go through all these supports, test this VWAP.
Right. He doesn't have a target in mind.
Q down here is 25,792. Okay, so.
And the contracts are so cheap, you're like, do I really want to buy a bunch of 9-cent contracts? They're so close to zero. But that's what he's looking for. He takes those trades that are like you know, like a rave trade where it's outside the money, but if it goes in the money, the stock moves like $1, and all of a sudden you're 9 cents to $1 on the contract.
Yeah, right.
We break this 200 EMA. We ain't come back to it for a bit. Goes below. This is still down here. 855. The ES is coming up on his first support.
I wrote on the shorts are looking at AEL. They're too far out. Spreads are too big. I can't really get on.
Yeah.
I know we got 58 seconds left.
Oh well.
So a couple ways to play this. You can get short. I would get short now, or you can wait for the closure of the candle. But if we lose momentum,
got about 44 seconds left in that
the
candle.
EMAs,
Check this MAC indicator gap. Goodness gracious. And notice how it's the last gap on the chart. Just sell the last one. Buy the last one. Tell you what, you really want to know where to buy it?
What you doing, Johansson? Did you get face ripped off?
79.75. Thank you.
Wow, still long from where?
869. But not today.
Okay.
I mean, definitely 6,966. If we wick down there, buy it. But look for previous day close.
Hey.
If we keep buying. Here we are, stuck on the 200 EMA. You know, it might be pissed off that we didn't get this, so who knows? We might have 5 minutes back up.
We just took out the pre-market low.
We still got a gap up there on the ES at 7,030. So
Let's talk about things that don't matter. Pre-market lows, taking it out.
That's it, man.
Let's cherry pick things that matter. Let's not talk about the gap fill.
7.5 points.
London lows.
The London low is coming down. The Asia high is right around the corner.
Add point, right?
Oh, what are they doing in Botswana? That's what I need to know.
That's a support. But if you're in a trade, you're watching this.
Here's what I know is they're gonna let you out, and then they're gonna let you out, and then they're gonna trap you. He's trying the shorts. Bro, you're gonna get obliterated if you try to stay long because it's to 26,000.
Up 25 ticks on 4 minutes. It's a good day. It's a good day.
Boom.
Especially on the ES.
There you go. Let's go, Benny.
4 minis. I'd be out by 5 points.
I'm gonna take some of that off.
He's already taken some of it off. What?
5 points on the ES during extended trading hours is like
He's short 875.
watching freaking paint dry.
I just kind of saw
Doesn't
the
happen very fast. Usually takes
the
20
level
ticks.
guys, right? So it kind of rejected. Somebody said they're long.
Looks like it was just a retest. Hope you're out now.
Well, if you're long,
Unless you're
I mean,
holding.
congrats, right? But I basically just kind of had to snap down to it could be a drop to go higher, but I just try to take what I can get, guys. On that
Still,
flush, right?
we're leaning towards
Down to
that
like
previous day
860
close, and it's kind of proven it. But with the price action we're kind of getting,
Price
I feel like it
action
only
is
go
kinda
like
wonky,
halfway.
but
That's
keep in
my
mind, on
feeling.
the 15-minute chart, guys. If
Not
we lose,
financial.
Uber has updated their vehicle eligibility, and as of the 15th, as of today, my car is no longer eligible for Uber Comfort or electric trips. Why would you remove an electric vehicle from being eligible to give rides for electric trips? Make no sense, man. That's so crazy.
What?
Like when you book an Uber, you can select like what kind of car you want, right? Like X, electric, comfort, whatever. My car is no longer eligible to be comfort electric. It's only Uber X. Like what's crazy to me is like the vehicle doesn't change
Got the bear
at
out.
all. If it was comfort electric
The
before,
bear.
it's still comfort electric.
Still one gap there.
Makes no sense.
Got this little gap here.
Ah, your car today turned 1 year older. Yesterday it was fine. Today it's too old. I need to go outside and look at it and see how much older it looks. Give it a birthday cake, perhaps.
15-minute ORD. 2 more minutes.
Oh! Look at the pumpy pump. Oh, they want to go to the moon today. You know what's funny is where I put the moon on that chart yesterday. That's where you're at. It's right at the moon. Oh, that's funny. Now what? You went there. Now what? Where are you going?
News today. Yellow folder now. All right, so yeah, we're so we can get.
Oh, NVIDIA. You're gonna make me mad that I sold that call yesterday. Everyone thinks you're going higher.
Yeah, right.
I'm very mad I sold that call yesterday.
15
Yeah. God, dog, don't even look at Reddit. Oh my God. Jesus Christ. Oh my God.
Hey, but you got your 250.
Oh my God. You are joking. Dude. Oh, what a sick game.
I have to laugh so I don't cry.
Oh my God. Okay, well, why did I even look at that? Jesus Christ.
Can't resist.
Oh. Come on, people. We're having a good time. Oh. Oh. Oh, man. $10 in the money. Jesus Christ. $2 to $14. Oh. Wow. That is brutal. All right, can we short this again? What's going on?
You can.
Trapped enough bulls?
But it got with conviction, it kind of slowed right back down. So, gotta wait.
1.6.
Oh. Oh, Jesus Christ. We're just going to drop $40. I don't like trading days where it gaps up like this, like at all. It's like my least favorite.
Horribly bearish. Horribly bearish.
My least favorite day to trade. Should have shorted that Bitcoin, bro.
Yeah, I would have passed that count.
What do you mean passed
I
it?
failed it.
Are you serious?
Mm-hmm.
God, dog. Wait. Can't help but
With the
laugh.
swiftness too.
Price.
Jesus Christ.
This is an imposter channel too. Captain
What are we
Morris.
doing? What are we doing, man?
And like all of the profit that I made on the war book, wiped out.
I didn't even see it. Looked at the
Come
rest of the
on.
market.
Johansson, what are you doing?
Serious, man. I thought I was going to do the same thing it did the night before.
Why would you think that?
$20 an ounce.
God, dog.
Dude, look at Reddit go, man.
Don't look at Reddit. Oh my God! $20? Jesus!
You would have sold out this morning, though, so you don't feel terrible.
Oh,
You would have sold it open if you didn't.
wow. Yeah, you're right. Unbelievable. Just unbelievable move. 7.5% down. Jesus.
Jumped off.
Look at it smash them.
You would want to see like Bear step in and like just want to tell us what kind of day we're gonna have. What kind of session, guys?
Bet.
Because if you can't get momentum here.
I don't even know what to do with that information. God, dog.
Like 200 EMA. I like this short better than I like this short. This thing came back from my mental break even. Now we're just lower than we were. Not a bad fake out.
So this is yo guys. We didn't get a break.
Well, we got about 8 minutes before we're at the top of the hour.
But yeah, this is so and
We're rejecting this 952. We're already back down 100 points. Real fast. Yes, dumping
Yo, get
off.
back up. We got 2 minutes and 15 seconds left.
Jump in again. You at?
And I'm just kind of seeing a double top up here, and I want to see a flush of the ORB. 25,000.
They're gonna fight.
Let's do this level, come down to like 800. Even if they're gonna push it high, maybe we get a flush first. So, but it is not happening, right? Every time it kind of taps the ORB, it pushes right back up. So, that's the action today, guys. So far. take the L guys on this trade. And wait for the next setup, guys. Because it's not this is not what you want to see, right? So I gotta wait. So that was one contract. Actually, only on one account. I didn't have a great account for your own. So
Alright.
wait, guys.
Let's get this thing on a roll.
And not get followed through to the downside.
Somebody's running in
One
the
hour
proper
candle
size.
was looking weak, but now it has a long wick at the top and the bottom, so that's a 30-minute candle. Looks bearish, but bouncing off the ORV. We're not getting followed through, guys.
Who's got
First trade
it? Who
was a
has
quick
that?
15-point trade, and then you had a
Pay
snapback
attention to
opposite
everything.
direction.
Who has that?
This
150
trade
K
was,
challenge.
basically over 30-point L, right? So, right back inside the ORV. Wait for the next setup. Bottom wick on that candle, guys, 58 points. Rejection, right back up.
Got the background music. Here it is. But it is developed for the.
Gonna wait it out, man.
Gonna be some commands in the chat. I ain't gonna tell any of you which commands are what. As soon as you type in particular commands, I'm gonna pay attention to what kind of words there is out there that we're saying, pump, dump, stuff like that. Sooner or later, this will start popping up.
Well, let's get to print the money today. He's short from 913, 25 short. Also long goal at 3603.
Right through the box. Right through the box. Come down.
And when I'm trailing tight, and I'll look down sometimes.
Oh, that collar. Crazy collar.
Bounce, bounce.
Unsocks
Come
though.
on.
One is like where you buy basically put in a call at the money.
Straddle.
At the money or in the money?
At.
At the money, yeah. 61.
At the money's a strangle.
Strangle?
Straddle is when it's in the money.
One, I was almost exactly 64 when I. %. Yeah, even accurate.
Okay, that wasn't too bad. That was pretty cool. If I make 1K rest of the day, I would trade. Probability.
The money's short.
Yeah, that makes sense, Fire. I agree. 100%. I'll try to trade more. Respect. Right? And say that it's alright. That's right. And kinda did stop out. They hold their teeth up with both hands to keep what is the drawdown on perpetrator? The perpetrator, the 100 accounts. Whenever you open up an account, whenever you press like buy an account, it'll buy down your account. Similar to other banks. Fail of an account, fail by having open orders when the market closes, trading that's fast or extra. There are a couple other rules. Have to take out one trade a week. I have your account. That's however. AR just lost 60.
It probably is a good space to buy a call down here, honestly.
Where is what is earnings actually? February 6th or something?
It's like a month away now.
Or get a break of the. I don't know.
Holy cow, end of the month, 35 strikes, 235 strikes or $2.
Yeah.
Kind of decided
How much are
last
the
night
245 strikes
that
though?
today, at least just today, I want to.
Or the not that.
45.
Think about it. How much are the 225s? Because if you bought a 235, you'd want it to be at 245.
Do a little bit of scout. This gold trade's almost out. Almost got the.
Magic.
Send my range.
This is a bearish pattern. 1 minute, 5 minute bearish.
This is like a level of this out exactly right now. Super safe exit. And X like 7. Safe. And spot. It's like the banger move.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to. I mean, I'll have to code it.
Yeah. Yeah, this about me. Honestly, like I have like almost no experience. Started trading, but it just like seeing like all I've really seen is like effects back, and it also trends. That was not what it does. So like whenever I see a huge liquidation like this, it's like a lot. Right when I see the bounce, I'm just like, okay. And then see it. What do you think about NASDAQ? I think down.
Way I like opening.
Yeah.
Up and down. The box. And I don't.
It's like, yeah, put me in the trade.
What?
Bring the
Trade
liquid.
now.
Yeah.
I
It's like very rare that this.
At point, FedEx, how do you usually put your stops? What I can handle,
I was
size that I know. I typically like to sit in a trade for 15 points if I'm gonna continue.
Yeah, like right when I was
And
seeing this
then,
up here, this was
how's that
like
lucid
easy
funded
short for
going?
me.
Patience.
Sitting in that
Just
short.
be patient.
Nope.
See,
I'm flat.
No, I'm talking about
That dude ain't holding that.
So, like, paper trade. Gotta be patient.
the logic applies like.
that is cold, man. Hopefully they don't like
You bought the Reddit call?
actually about a spread. It should be 2.5 to 47.5. It's 6.54.
Honestly, think I think absolutely.
There's about a couple. Hopefully they don't get burned.
I think it'd be alright.
Hard time for.
Sound like
Yeah, patience. Be patient. Like, need 5 days to.
There are Americans that
5 days take a payout, but it's not. It needs to be consecutive 5-day win, active trading day, and then of course I'm 18. And it doesn't need to be like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. It could be like Monday, Tuesday, Friday, Thursday, Friday. I want to wait for your patience. That's what I'm gonna try to teach. Again, educational purposes only. You know, evals, PKs, pass them. Hey, that's definitely some evals. We're gonna actually get some. Hopefully, we're gonna get sponsored by Apex here soon. Do some giveaways. Any size accounts, so look into that. And of course, I'll work into boosted giveaways as well. Continue to grow the stream, grow the have a good setup. We got kind of lower low here. Good bounce up. Hard time breaking 8 or did want to see. Goes to show you, like, yeah, it would have been nice. Normally, I would take it. My base hit is. Would have hit that. That's a pass. But all you really want to do when it comes to it is just trade the minimum. Let your beat.
It's that staying up there for so long. And just chopping. Actually,
waiting for 699.
What's the 15-minute look like? Still there.
wait, did I just buy?
Naturally, I found myself, just to give you guys an example of being, or
I
just
just accidentally
trading.
bought.
For instance, okay, so gotta do the math backwards,
Bro, I just
So
accidentally.
if you like taking
I
out
just
max
accidentally
withdrawals
bought.
every 5 days, say you
That was a top tick, dude.
Well, what size account did you bring to the table? What do you
Crazy.
size? And say you're using.
And
the max withdrawals.
I just gave away some profit and also like missed the 20.
But
Oh,
you're
Yeah, I just hate.
Oh.
Oh yeah. Yeah, right now it's like tight. Oh, it's a watermark. Reversal.
First
one
camp
phase,
request.
15.
It's my take.
Bankrupt. 1,000. Based on
Yeah, I'm staying out now.
say you're like like that.
That tick strike kind of helps, yeah. For this little market price. I mean, I guess it's not a reversal, but quick short squeeze that would have stopped me.
Yeah, for sure. Better to get out. Every two days.
Right now it's like, it's looking like, but
Can you 15 minutes?
yeah, I think, like right now it's obviously told. Just
That's how you
Saturday. Rolling up.
Hey, what? So that's only
Well, like I said, I think this goes down. Could go down one or two. Could go down much. I think if this stays like
trade.
I mean, yeah, yeah, you can get see like the amount of buyers that are coming here should be perfect. That gets many as possible. Straight to see it. Okay, holds pushing up. Up almost on the day per. I guess once we hit 1K, I could just skip down. That could be the price thing. Instead of micro trade.
What are you doing, Johansson? Real quiet.
There ain't nothing going on right now. I'm long.
It's on the trades.
The YM was the trade to take, man. That sucker straight up. Down straight up. Ah. Right at the end of the video, because I had the 180 haul 2 weeks out. And yeah. Yeah. You know, Monday the market's closed, right? Monday the market's closed. Bank holiday. Yeah. Columbus Day. I think it is Columbus Day. Making a bear flag on a 5-minute chart.
are doing
this much. This, this much. Thing is that you're still kind of
said search.
I'm short for this bear flag breakdown.
Yeah.
It's a bear flag for sure, but we'll see what happens.
I'm going for this bear flag takeout.
All the EMAs are curling over. It's going to be a bearish cross.
Destroy.
Hopefully 1.15 or 1.2 on the day. Close your head on the red.
Per minute.
Soup chop.
Boom. Alright. Qualified day on the Lucid. Let's move on to the next one.
I need to be short.
Is it the rest?
Trading is a trade, remember that.
No, just count them.
On 0, next step is 1.
Darcy.
I've already got it.
3 micros. Now when you can function, you have 1 mini on, then you know you're rolling that. Just act like you were if you gotta build up to that top. And obviously there shit on micro, spend a lot of money.
Buyers are really trying to get it up there.
Yeah, but they are comfortable with making more money. Commission,
Buyers are
this
really
trading
trying to
commission
push it out.
should be like $1. Trying to express they're stepping over pennies to pick up dollars, but
Yeah. It's like it's more buyer.
there are people out there who think they're ready for mini, but they're not.
But now like there's like pitches are pretty good.
You have to really kind of compare it to your reality to trading.
Buyers are
Compare what you're good with. Yeah. If you've ever only, and I'm using that example, if you've ever only made $250 a day,
That's why I'm
And
like,
then you're trying to trade minis.
think that
You ain't gonna.
because
It ain't
the
gonna happen.
buyers
It ain't gonna
prefer
happen.
here.
If you
That's why I like
you're trading for what
guess,
10
you know, the
points and
whole
one mini for
search and destroy type
$200.
deal.
Okay.
Trying to
With
hurt
the
as
loss,
many
to handle it.
side.
That's a
looking like
bounce.
a breakout happened. Yep.
Target.
Oh, Reddit screaming.
See here.
And it did. Holy cow, it's up $7.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Screaming. That's like 2.5 strikes, 3 strikes on Reddit.
Hit up some.
Yeah, I'm starving. Now down. Very end. Extremely.
Oh God! Smoked him.
And I was kind of expecting.
Damn.
I was kind of expecting this to happen, and I still fell for it. I was expecting this to happen. I fell for it. Oh my God. Breakout, breakout. I watch it fail, but
Yeah, breakout. Yeah. So far, hold.
yeah, true. I couldn't.
There's a liquidator can.
Dude, I literally was expecting. How did I get faked out? This is gonna be
Keep it, son.
Ay, ay, ay.
Fair flag.
Let's say it could technically
That's for on Reddit.
do the safe. Which is it? Trying to scalp NASDAQ back in the box.
Not financial advice, but tell you what, nobody ever talks about this. Try to like your mind tries to comprehend. Well, shit, if I made that much money in 9-10 minutes, what is it that like I did wrong over here 9 to 5? It's gambling. It does not. It's not right. No, I used to think. No, I used to think by the car sale, commission, by the roof sale. I worked commission, so I made X amount of dollars. Made money when I sold a car. I made money when I sold a roof. I made money when I sold anything.
Sketchy stuff happening
when I
in this
worked
box.
commission. So I made my own paycheck.
Like,
And at that point in time, there you go. There's your thought process.
A lot of pushes that. It's not. You're in the middle. A lot of nasty stuff. Yeah, I'll float. Hey, gold is. Oh wow. I was about to say gold grinding up very, very close. Definitely. I still don't like what it takes. That's that close. Eric, any $10 buys for yesterday?
Oh, baby! Baby, we going down. Johansson, you getting smoked. You think it's going up to 26K, but it don't want to go. You wanted to go to the moon, folks. That's where we went. Now we gotta come home. Because we can't live on the moon because there's no atmosphere.
I'm gonna leave it for Eric.
Let's go.
There's gonna be
Going to VWAP, baby. 809 is the VWAP.
stocks. I'll leave it for probably gonna sell. Holy. That was I think of
What's D Money doing? Liquidate.
I think I want to rotate from Google and Adobe.
Whoa.
Sure. There's the militia. So sick. Monday is off. About 100. Okay, out on the tucked in plus $50. Just 300 on Drew 5. I'm gonna press it. Job. Trying to scalp this right. And this game. last 5,900. Because the problem was, I was thinking that a nice I would assume this whole area tires, get them off sides, down to good spots are sellers. Okay. Like right now it's breaking out again. Counters. Sure, where's bed? Sick. I know. Ow. Like a down day. Sailing. I mean, we did gap up as of right now. Hopefully not a down day drop too. But we still back is a plan.
Yep.
Right now.
Yeah.
How's it going today, everyone?
Okay.
Traded. It's out right now.
Yeah, but ES is pushing up though more. ES is got
We're having a big champion after the rain. Kind of like what it's saying, right? So it's a box that kind of grew out.
Yeah, it already broke out.
It ain't still staggering. I think we have one more pullback.
Time to go.
Far.
To go long.
Hmm.
Probably like at a pop. Look at over 10 points.
Know why? Because he doesn't trade. There's more money trading. I know.
On the
I think
corrupt side.
I think I'm a little less than break even now, right about now. On.
Yeah, it does look very much tippity toppity. I'm gonna wait it out though. I'm not gonna get. Dude, yesterday after the market closed, my brain was just cooked. And I think it's because I was stuck in that trade so long, and I'm just actively calculating risk constantly, and it's exhausting. I mean, I think that's what it is. Like, at the end of the day, I'm just like, God, my brain hurts. I mean, I can sit here and watch it. It doesn't bother me at all to just watch it. But when I'm in it, I'm just like, what's the amount of drawdown I can take here?
Yesterday we hit all-time highs.
Not yet. We're above yesterday. The day before, our budget. Day before, that
Very well might.
Okay.
I'm thinking today we at 20 scale.
That's what I would
Yeah.
assume.
But I
That's
honestly
really
was looking for a sweep down to 5 a.m. for some reason.
Miss Keegan?
Sketchy, man.
Okay. Okay.
Sellers and buyers were hiding there for. Now it's like
I don't know if Nelwyn has any checks in.
after they.
Tell you what, let me
It's not.
let me send her an email. Stop and maybe her sheet. Look at it again too.
After like this has been taken out.
Maybe.
Breakout.
My understanding was just supposed to be for what's in the subject. Next steps for powers and e-file credit card.
Wrong. I could be wrong, but unless the
I'm a
credit
little
card
nervous. This is gonna do the
direct deposit.
exact same thing that I just did. Just dumps below.
Okay. Alright. I'm guessing that they're gonna break up anyway.
Guess we can watch that. Just to get. This is
They probably consider that it says it allows numerous direction to designated bank account. And those, yeah, that's what it is.
now it's like
Let me send her an email. There's a place to sign it. Okay, that's what
700 on the Bitcoin.
2,700. Damn.
696.
okay.
Damn.
What is it?
Yes. That's like, and when I like noticed that like I shouldn't.
Let me. I'll sign her on the account.
Maybe
And where you selling?
Didn't get out right when we noticed there were no buyers there. Saw there was a buyer sign. Got a breakdown signal triggered. Actually, average move of about 70.
Well, hang tight on that then. Oh, yeah.
Just triggered.
Yeah. Yeah. Let me work on that a little bit.
I
I'm
think
gonna
we're
send her an
guaranteed
email and she needs to be to know that it's
Happy I remember it's 30. Unfortunately, lost some points.
correct. Yeah, and Tommy's not here today, so all right, cool. Thank you, Keith.
Seven. Is it hourly per hour?
See you later. Long dongies. Gone.
RTR, how do you reverse it? There's a reverse button. All it does is just mark it. Like if you're in a buy, or if you're in a long, whenever you hit reverse, all it does is just mark it sells 2x. Whatever your just mark it 2x. Sugar.
That's the VWAP though.
And they going to do what?
Reverse it
Flip it.
at the VWAP.
Flip the VWAP.
Big bounce there. Good bounce on 7. Just I don't know how far below. 800. How far below is it? I think it.
Oh, I got that. I just think off that one. That's true.
Yeah. It's 800 is guaranteed. 100 guaranteed. How far below? Trying to target 15. just sweep.
Makes the gauge up lower.
Well, I mean,
I
if
mean,
that happens, yeah, that'll be.
561.
I don't think it goes that way.
Or
I mean, actually, honestly, it could. It could. If this 950, because we were seeing sellers at 26K every single time.
yeah,
If today sellers decided to full short 25 950 and bring it a whole range again, that very well could happen actually. Could be onto something.
higher, yeah.
Yeah.
Not afraid of aggressive.
Yeah. Don't be found. There's possibility of full on dunk. Like that'll be so shocking. But it is possible. We could come right back down to 6. That would close the gap. Looking like a breakout. Yeah. Man, I would be so shocked. I would be so shocked. Because that kind of thing has happened. So.
This is some Wyckoff distribution stuff.
I mean, yeah, I guess. See, I thought the Wyckoff distribution idea was not in play anymore, but like, dude, I've been seeing it. Very interesting price action. Like, it honestly could be. The fact that this like comes up, it looks mega bullish. You have all of this happening.
I get you, Sean.
Here, like getting as many people off sides as possible. It's down.
I think longs
It's
are on sale right
distribution. The what?
I think longs are on sale right now.
So, you think this is a good long here?
I think so myself, but like, so hard to tell because the price action, like, it's really fighting to go higher. I want it to go.
Are you break even?
Yeah. Just stop break even. Gonna try to hit this banger, dude. I was targeting 785. Kinda down to go for a banger. Let's see what it does at 800. Saying 800 is guaranteed. So I would say what it just tapped now is pretty much 800.
I keep respect. That is some. Sure.
SC, Pasha, because of you, baby's gonna be sick. Because you're also sick. I got sick from the baby, bro. The baby got me sick. I wasn't sick and the baby was sick, and now I'm sick.
Where's she going, baby?
And the baby got it from like probably family member or something.
Do you know what it's for?
Grandma's house or something like that. Say it right. Come on. Come on, we're right back. Yeah, yeah. Yep. Gotta be careful. What do you guys think?
Ought to be a forecast. That's because with some upweight is a lot bigger. Something open up.
So you leave where it's at. We'll deal with it when he starts asking. That's what I say. This, yeah.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
On the limited.
And it's not real. I think that's royalty. So, yeah, that's good. I'll talk to him whatever he's asking for. Thank you.
What's up, bear flag, bro? A bull flag is only gonna be the correct direction. Ooh. Like bull flag and bear flag, they both look almost exactly the same, but it's a bear flag if it's like being formed after a big dump. Same thing for a bull flag. A bull flag is formed after a push. Like you can't really form a bull flag after a dump. You know what I mean? I honestly don't know much about candle patterns. I just thought that bull flags can't be formed after a sell-off. Like you can have like bullish
Oh, gotta go to that.
patterns, like obviously after a sell-off. I didn't know that you could.
No, you're right, but I'm talking.
Especially. Oh no! Oh no! Dude, what was that short squeeze? That was a 50-point push. Wait, was that a fair value gap? Fair value gap? Guess there's the... Dude, this is technically within a 5-minute fair value gap. It's a wide one. From 890 to 860.
By the way, that hourly cap.
You know what else is shorting this? I've heard. testing the top of the box. That's a 5-minute bearish air gap. Stays below 25,900. 300. It's a fake. It's a
We'll have to open a ticket. I tried, and I was unable. Right there. That'd be fine. I don't know. It's not the first time I've had to open a ticket. They help with it. But something happened where I'm not able to.
Real squeeze.
Oh,
oh my goodness. Man, oh man, why didn't I
You talking about next gen? Yes.
Why didn't I take like 70 on that short?
I'll have to figure out how to open a ticket. I'm not used to opening tickets.
You're just holding for massive 300 point drops. Telling me, why aren't you thinking of it? You know, man.
Beat Business Plus.
Watch Pasha go red today.
That's where we at with that. That's actually one of my goals this week. So running out of time here, but
I feel it now.
I'm sure.
Or do this. Look.
Gotta get it done.
I don't know.
Dude, now I'm red right now. Oh man. Search and destroy. Hey, 900. Dude, I feel like this is a fake. This is a fake half.
You just hit the sell button.
That big old thing. Well, it's not a bullflag. It's I think they call it a selling channel, which is I think that's like a selling channel. So like, I think it's like not exactly bullish until it breaks.
So I go to the bathroom, right? Make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, and the market goes up 100 points.
All right.
Okay, good luck.
Okay.
I mean, I'm annoyed.
Hey.
Kind of get
What?
into the rage mode now. Search and destroyed.
Reddit about to go to 240.
You sent you a digital copy.
Yes.
I just went right through and highlighted the parts that look like
Moon,
maybe.
is there news? We have Trump. Trump leaked the Venezuela Machado. We have Ted Barkin. Evan speak.
Thank you.
We have a bunch of speakers. Oh, actual. We did have some data drops today, so we had initial jobless claims, things like that. Those numbers actually look good. No real news. Trump, was very unfair for West Tech. No idea.
Probably gonna
Carrots. Carrots.
Yeah, dude. Bad day. Bad day. That's crazy. That's crazy. I'm like actually like till.
Yeah, call it.
Well, I already brought like I'm already like based on my rules like I have to walk away now.
No safari. Transportation. Are you? We're looking for the transportation company. Looking for Safari Transportation. No Safari Transportation.
Safari Transportation is 607 Cedar Avenue.
We're just looking for Safari Transportation. So this is registered for Safari Transportation 607. We're asking where Safari Transportation is. Okay, so the business is not here. Fuad Omar.
You don't know. This, what is this?
Money transferring. Okay,
Well, this
registered. This is fraud taking place. This is supposed to say, this is for Safari Transportation.
Go find out.
Yeah, we did find out. This is fraud right here.
Registered here.
This is registered.
Transportation, state of Minnesota. But it's registered now. This is current, just off the state of Minnesota website today. This is from today. Up to date. How do you open it? Go check it out.
We're here. This is 607. Where's Safari Transportation?
It's not Safari here.
Okay, so it's a fraudulent business. Exactly. Exactly. It's not here. It's a fraud. Okay, thank you. We're gonna go to the next address. All right, get moving on. So 607. This is supposed to be Safari Transportation, no transportation company, and now we're going to 617, another transportation company. However, it is actually Cedar Riverside Liquor. Where is the transportation company?
617.
617 right here.
Transportation for the state of Minnesota is registered to 617 Cedar Avenue South.
In this liquor store. David, they aren't even trying to hide that these are transportation companies. Where are the vans at?
Should we ask?
Let's go ask.
Hey, we're looking at
Now we're in 617.
Dog, this kid. That Nick Shirley and that David character released another video of fraud. So he's got this printout of businesses and he's going to the addresses, and it's a transportation, listed as a transportation company that's getting a Minnesota grant money. And it's like, that one was like a clothing store. It's like, where's the transportation business? There's none here. He's like, okay, so this is fraud. And then there's another one that was 4 doors down that said transportation services and is a liquor store. What is going on? What is happening? Man, that is quite a rounded bottom move here. 5-minute looks just disgusting. 15-minute chart, gross.
Drivers, they only have 4,000 people watching.
Yeah. Mr. Beast said, I was listening to this interview with him, said that worldwide he has 800 million unique viewers a month. It's 1 in 10 people on the planet have watched a Mr. Beast video. That's a lot. An insane amount. That's more than probably anything ever. Any show, any movie. It's insane. And Tara's like, I don't think that's true. And she's like, well, I wouldn't.
No clue what you're talking about.
You don't know who Mr. Beast is?
No clue.
All right. Well, 1 in 10. I know who he is. That's still valid. How do you not know who Mr. Beast is, Jimmy Donaldson? It's crazy. You got kids too. They definitely know.
Is it a TV show?
He's a YouTuber. He's the most subscribed YouTube channel ever. The most views and the most subscribers of YouTube. I bet if I played a clip and you heard his voice, you'd be like, oh yeah, that guy. Pretty distinct voice. Whoa, gold. That freaking wicked candle on gold.
Down or up?
Up. 7-point candle. Actually, almost 8-point candle on gold. Out of nowhere. Crazy.
If I like legitimately like wasn't, ready to take that long overnight, I wouldn't care as much. But like, I legitimately was like, oh crap, I need to take this long. And I just did it.
Some of those daycares are closed for like a week. Between Christmas and New Year, you still have to pay. Or use your spot. This money spent on it. 1.26 million. What was that money spent on? There aren't any kids.
Answer the question. Are there children? There's no children inside this building. Essentially, the largest fraud scandal in U.S. history is taking place in Minnesota, as literally billions of dollars have been funneled through Somali range.
Oh, that's an old one. December 26th.
Transportation. Why? Because
We have all this information right here.
so I have a number of companies that are located here in the Twin Cities, and this is just a fraction of the companies that are out there. What I found was that the national average for a non-emergency medical transportation company is 20 vehicles per company. A lot of these companies, their address is an apartment, some are in a house, some are in a convenience store, some of them in a vacant building. There's no signage, there's nobody there.
And so why would there be such a need for all these transportation companies here inside of Minnesota?
So if you think of this transportation as the hub of the wheel, so child care is a spoke, adult daycare is a spoke, autism is a spoke, the interpreter services, which we could get into, that's another spoke. It all ties back to transportation. Why? Because those meals someone had to deliver those meals, someone has to deliver the kid to autism, or say they did. So it all revolves around the transportation. And so when you're looking at this, you say, okay, well, let's just be conservative. Let's go on the low side. Let's say there are only 800 Somali-owned non-emergency medical transportation companies in Minnesota. Well, again, the average is 20 vehicles per company. So that's 800 times 20. And the way these NEMT companies are paid is if they bring someone to a doctor's appointment, whatever the case might be, or Costco or wherever they're going, because remember, it's non-emergency medical transportation. Well, we went to Costco because they have to eat or they'll die. So that's considered, right? So it's almost impossible to figure out from the outside what exactly the payments are for each of these trips. But I have a pretty good idea. So when someone provides a transportation to a facility or a location, they're also paid for the time to sit there and wait for the appointment to end and then drive the person back. So they're paid 3 different ways. And the average is going to be $50 per trip. So it's going to the appointment is a trip, coming back trip. So that's $100 per round trip. So if you have 800 companies in Minnesota that are NEMT companies, they all own 20 vehicles, and they're all making 10 trips a day, and it's $50 per trip. So it's 800 times 20 times 10 trips times $50 a trip. Do the math. And the reality is, how many of these trips are being provided? 0.
$8 million a day.
Why? Because when they are paid by the state of Minnesota, these companies go online and they fill out a form, and it just says, okay, how many trips, how many miles. They submit that electronically to the state, and boom, they get paid. Nobody bothers to check. They don't call the dentist. Did this kid show up? They don't do anything. As soon as that form is filed with the state of Minnesota, that payment goes out immediately.
And so essentially, these transportation companies are what hold all of the fraud together, because you have the daycare centers working with the transportation companies, the adult daycare centers working with the transportation companies, the healthcare companies working with the transportation companies. So it's just another way to bill and to also make it look like something's happening here inside of Minnesota.
This is the belly of the beast. All of this fraud revolves around these transportation companies. All of it. This touches every part of fraud here in Minnesota.
And today we're going to go confront these people. We confronted them last time. There was no kids in any of the child care centers. And today, what do you expect to see?
I think we're going to see some vehicles because you know, when I drive around the cities here, I see these Somalis driving. Mostly it's like a Plymouth Caravan or whatever. And there's never, ever been a passenger. In 7 years, I've never seen a passenger in any of these vehicles. I've followed some of them. They're going to Costco, they're going to Sam's Club, they're going to Walmart. The driver gets out, goes in there, loads up a shopping cart, comes in, puts it in the van, and off they go back to where they live.
And now we're going to go out and see what's happening with these transportation companies.
Here's the other thing. Tim Walls
is registered for Safari Transportation 607. Dreamline, inside of there, it's actually a liquor store, and then 617A is a place where there's a bunch of mailboxes and it says reliable ITT services. How are you doing, man? Yes, sir.
Why are you sensational? Again.
What are we sensationalizing?
What's your final objective?
We're not attacking your community by any means.
Are you making
we're
good money
looking
from this?
we're looking for fraud.
No,
For instance, can you answer our question? Where's Safari Transportation Company 607? It's not there. And why don't you answer the question, where's 617 Dreamline Security?
How much money are you making?
I make money off of YouTube. That's how I make my money.
Exactly. So you're making money off of sensationalizing.
That my job
and attacking
is
the Somali community.
I'm not attacking you guys. We're asking.
I'll tell you the
fraud is
reason why
fraud,
this is
sir.
happening. All right, let me tell you the reason why.
Fraud is fraud, correct?
Yes.
This has nothing to do with race. This is fraud. It's fraud.
This absolutely has to do with us being Muslim.
No, it does not.
All right, and us being from Africa. This is a constitutional argument. You don't want us here. Change the freedom of religion. Say, listen, you don't want Muslims in this country anymore.
We're not saying that.
No.
We're not saying that.
When I go
Sir,
onto
we're
your
talking
comments,
about fraud.
when I go onto your comments,
my comments.
What I see is people that say we do not want Muslims here. Kick every single Muslim in Minnesota out of Minnesota.
That's a comment.
You are listen. You're preparing for the Somali community to maybe be taken to concentration camps, just like the Japanese community. All right, you're sensationalizing.
No, we're not.
All right,
Sir,
something that can listen. That's something
where
that
is the transportation
something that can jeopardize
answer the question.
Safety and the protection of the Somali community.
We're talking about
anything
fraud, sir.
happens to the Somali
We're talking about
community,
fraud.
I'm not doing anything. I'm not physically touching you.
You're getting very close.
I'm not physically touching you. No, I'm not physically touching you.
This is fraud. We're talking about fraud.
What you're
defending fraud.
You're defending fraud.
You're defending fraud.
People who hate Muslims
Hey,
want us out of here
people can say
for
what they
being
want.
Muslim.
I'm not censoring anybody.
Us using your material. Islamophobes use your material. People who hate Islam use your material. Say to us, we don't want you here. Change the Constitution. But guess what? Let me tell you something. Guess what?
Say it. We're asking about fraud. We're asking about fraud.
You hate Muslims.
I'm not saying I hate Muslims. We're talking about fraud.
Muslims.
We're talking
Why
about
are you
fraud.
attacking us?
This
Are
is
you the
fraud.
only community that suffers because of fraud?
We're talking about
Are
fraud.
we the only community that does fraud? Are we the only community?
We're the only one that does fraud.
This is about fraud.
Right, there's what, 300 Somali
This is
providers in
fraud.
all of Minnesota?
There's actually 800.
So, you speak English,
transportation
right?
companies.
Your security doesn't even speak English. Listen,
Yeah,
let me tell
so
you something.
see, this isn't a race issue, sir.
Let me
This
tell
is
you
about fraud.
We have, what, 1,000 providers?
Yeah, you guys have a...
Even it's 2,000 providers.
Okay,
You want to sacrifice the safety of 80,000 people
We're not
because of
sacrificing.
fucking 2,000 providers? Are you fucking mad? Are you stupid?
I'm not stupid, you're stupid. Where's the transportation company?
What am I doing mess?
Listen.
Boom, roasted. I'm not stupid, you're stupid.
Any Somali gets hurt in Minnesota is because
God. All right, get it right.
I've
God,
ever met in
clown.
my whole life.
Because he couldn't answer the question. Where was the transportation? And this van as well, this is Dreamline. Dreamline was the location where we got chased out from the Somalis on 617 Cedar. And this is a vehicle from Dreamline that actually didn't even exist. It was a liquor store. And now it's here, and the vans haven't moved at all. Literally. No vans and no tire tracks anywhere. If these vans are being used to transport people, whether it be healthcare, childcare, there would be snow tracks. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 vehicles here. No snow tracks anywhere. These vehicles are not being used